So it has started to rain here a bit. There are still numerous thunderstorms moving through the area that are warned. Meteorologist Kim Adams is still on covering it. As you can see, there is a tornado warning, not here, but just west of here. So yeah, this is what's currently happening. There is some lightning, but nothing too extreme right now. But yeah, we're getting a little downpour right now. Yeah, you can see a little bit of rain. It's off camera, but my GoPro is currently going right now, and I will upload that video when it gets probably tomorrow. So yeah, this is what we're currently getting right now. Doesn't look like a very intense storm by any means, just a little rain and lightning. Another tornado warning. So new tornado warning for the county over from me for Oakland. Oh, looks like that storm's over with. Pretty basic thunderstorm. Now we got, as I mentioned, a new tornado warning. That's one county over from me. So yeah.